me turn on my mouth, I say anything. So I don't know if me no do, I don't know. I don't even want to hurt your feelings, you know. I don't want to hurt your feelings, but me I can tell you this now, dirty pussy girl. I know you have traumas. All of us have traumas. I know, baby. I know. You know? I know them kill your granny and it's a bother you, so you're torment for life. Them kill your granny and your seats and you're torment for life in the blood clot. But let me tell you this. I never meet kill her here. I never kill her, so calm down. Don't torment with me. You feel me? Go pray about it. I never kill her, so dirty pussy girl, me start you so. Mitchie, no. Mitchie, listen, me and Mitchie not even close as one time, and only even hear me and Mitchie on the internet. I diss each other. Me and Mitchie used to be very close, but we kind of distance right now, and only not even hear me on the internet. I diss Mitchie and Mitchie diss me. So dirty pussy girl, where pussy travel eye scent, your pussy carry eye scent. Remember good now. Remember you come on my yard and left your tampon in the shower. Yeah, remember say you come on my yard and left your dirty bloody tampon and your stiff dry scratches in the shower. Remember, I'm never have to make it up right now. I never have to make it up right now because wait, I'm showing the text. I'm send it to my friend. Remember say you come with your dirty pussy, your stinking pussy scent, girl. Big pussy, dirty pussy, girl. Remember no? Got you say your granny will go dead. Go dig her up and suck her out. That me say go suck her out. Go dig her up and suck her out. Since you think your body and you think your head cheap and you think say your internet girl and you can come and shut up your mouth. You feel me? Since you think you can come shut up your mouth on this, yeah, me say that. Me Mystikal. You call my name, me say that. This is my man that bother her. My man bother you? I'm sorry. At least with this man, you see this man that fuck out me all, at least when him fuck me out, him no come on the internet after. Well, him couldn't go say it. You know? Type shit. Well, how he say? How he would say type shit? How he would say type shit? How he would say type shit right now? Yeah. I know you're torment from your granny passing, but don't take that out on me. Now, let's run it back. Mitchie good with she there, right? This is not about Mitchie. Me and Mitchie, don't put Mitchie in this. Mitchie good with she there. Me know say your granny dead and it's a torment, like a stinking pussy girl. How he say type shit? Bitch, I'm that bitch. How he say type shit? Remember say taps and roses, don't buy my clothes. Remember say my breasts them don't long and sagging. Yeah, remember say my breasts them don't long and sagging. And remember me the shape like the cereal box on top the fridge. Remember your shape bad no blood clot, mama. Remember your shape bad and your pussy dust and your pussy stink no blood clot. Remember it stink right through. And yes, I know say girls can't have issues, you feel me? I know girls can't have issues because woman are woman. Woman are woman, so I know girls can't have issues. But mama, your pussy stink 365 days out of the year. 365 days out of the year, your vagina stink. Taps and roses, don't buy my clothes. Remember say out TikTok, you're nobody girl. Remember say TikTok make you somebody. Remember say a TikTok make you come somebody. Dirty pussy, stinking pussy. Stiff. Remember say you go a small island because you want to talk about me a stripper and me what you say? Me a porn star. Yes, I'm a porn star. Oh yes. Remember say you go wait was beige where was she? Cause you see me a follow up girl. Where did you go? Where you went? Where did you go, baby? Where did you go? Which country it was? Can I remember say we have the live. Ooh. We have the live, you know. So remember say you came on here and make me know say yeah. Remember say this is not nobody leak you. Remember say I know it don't smell good. Vany front stink 365 days out of the year. I sent you travel with pussy dirty and stink and I dry scratches them stiff. People she left her bloody tampon in my bathroom shower and but make me so person I'm not lie when I go see the date on which I message my friend and I tell my friend about this. Hold on, I go show this and I message my friend and I tell my friend say I can't believe this girl left her panty, her pink panty. Dirty pussy girl. Dirty vagina girl. But I'm gonna tell y'all what start this. I'm gonna tell you what start this with this dirty pussy girl, yeah. Go choke under your dead granny. Now that mistake I'm bad for real. Go do that. Choke up under your granny girl. Ball about it. Yeah, I remember say you like come earth up yourself. Yeah, go do that now, go do that. Yeah. Me I go tell you say what start this. Yeah, me I go tell you the real reason why I start this. Boom. We'll go out with this girl with name, and I have no problem with the girl, you feel me? We'll go out with this girl with name Angie and this guy that named Zay. I don't have no problem with the people. They're cool peoples, you feel me? Them cool peoples, I don't have no issue with them, you feel me? I'm go out with the people, with she and the people them, you get me? We'll go out with them, right? I guess those people are people who must, you know, give her big gifts on TikTok. So, you know, she have to kiss ass, I guess, because they give her big gifts. Yeah, she's a pretty girl, but she stink. So, y'all, Vani, your part, what, y'all tell me what she is. Vani outside because I smell a strong scent, I don't know me, so, Boy, she run competition with Saltfish. I did not shade at nobody. I did not shade at nobody. All my followers who on my page, when them asked about her, I didn't shade nobody, don't. Saltfish competition, the girl. Strong competition with the Saltfish mama run. Strong competition. So weird. Remember to tell this, you know, we go out with the TikTok people, right? It was me, Michi, Vani, and the Angie girl and the Zay girl. You hear me, people? We'll go out. It was a good day. Everybody did a drink. Me did a drink too. 1 pint to outside. I'm a drunk. We kind of fuck up in the headspace. You feel me? Well, yeah, she left it a flavor yard and she left it. For sure, I never tell a lie and put up the message before me forget. She left her dirty tampon in the shower. She walked and left tampon every world dog say it. Remember, so she left flavor house nasty in a blood clot. It's a dirty pussy. Just like your pussy. Your pussy dirty and you is dirty. You and your pussy dirty alike.
You don't understand what just going? Tell me in the comment section. And you tell me if you don't understand what just going. 7 minutes. Tell me what.